Hey guys, what's up? Here we go. This is the final mini. We will fill the main with this, and then we will do the live draw for the winner of the $2,500 vacation voucher tomorrow. Just got to finish confirming payments, but I think we are good to go. But let's get this one done, get the spots picked. So this one here, we got 20 people in, 20 spots. With top spot getting 5 spots in the main, second getting 4, third getting 3, and fourth getting 1. So again, we use random.org. We will take the list, put it into random.org, roll a 2-sided die, and then run the randomization of the list that many times. The last one will be the winner. So here we go. I'm just going to on here. So we're at 9:07. Here we run. Okay, rolling the dice. And we got 7. So we're going 7 times. So get back over here, grab the list. Pop it into there. So we got Cash, Derek, Tracy. Cash, Derek, Tracy, with Derek, Marcella, Tracy, and Tracy at the bottom. So Derek, Marcella, Tracy, and Tracy. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there we go. We've got Chris, Derek, Eric, and Kasha. Those are our top 4. Congratulations to you guys. So basically, we'll do this. Chris, you can pick your spots first, then Derek, then Eric, and then Kasha. So we'll go in order of the win, just so if anybody wants a specific number on that, we'll get that done. And like I said, I think we're pretty much squared up with everybody. I just need to do a final run through, and we can do the live draw, which we'll do tomorrow, probably around maybe 7 o'clock or so. So. Put it in your calendar and get ready for that draw. All right, thanks everybody. Talk to you soon.